So this US 30 analysis for Wednesday, the 7th of February. Now, let's have a look what event prices and where prices may likely go. So on the 6th, we initially saw further sell side momentum came pretty close to the 23,000 mark. Didn't quite get there. Let's see how low we traded. We traded as low as 23,112. Before we did see this strong buy side momentum re-enter the market, we've had a brief pullback. Further upside momentum pullback and further upside momentum. Now we do appear to have encountered a zone where we are seeing a bit of a consolidation at present. So let's just change the scaling here. So we've had a very the market has been quite volatile here, but we've come up towards this 24,864. We've had a brief pullback, and we do appear to be consolidating beneath. We do appear to be forming a bit of a bull flag, pretty similar to what we have seen eventual breaks of which. So we'll see our price direct towards this 24,864, potentially looking for a break up towards that 25,000, likely a psychological level. A break from the psychological level of the 25,000. We are looking to see our price direction around 25,101. Break from there 25,243, 25,439, and due to the market volatility, it's not as simple as normally picking the far end of the range. Normally it's pretty easy, but this is market's volatility traveling near enough 800 to 1,000 points per day at present. Until market volatility does slow down, we could potentially see a move here from 24,810 to 25,879. So beyond this 25,439, again we're looking at 600, 708, and 879. So that's in around the 1,000 point or so zone. We'd expect 25,879 to be the far end of the range. And we are looking at important levels of 25,000, 25,439, and 25,600 before looking at the 25,879. Overall, though, this market does appear to be recovering from the very strong sell-off we have seen earlier in the week. So we do appear to be recovering at present. So we'll see whether we do form that bull flag continuation, or if we do see the market going to a prolonged period of consolidation before making the next move. But in light of the most recent trend, we do look poised for further upside momentum on the US 30. If, however, we do fail to see out the upside move on the US 30, we are looking for potentially finding support in around the 24,650. A break from which the most recent area that we have previously found support is in around the 24,238. Just bear with me a second here. Just going to change the scaling here and just drag this up. Yes, there we are. So previously we found support in around this 24,238, a break from which we're looking for the major level of 24,071. And if we do have sufficient market volatility, 23,900, I would expect to be the near enough the far end of the range, unless we get a particularly volatile day. And if we do see a particularly volatile day, would expect the far end of the range from being in around 23,900 to be around the 23,750. Overall, however, the most recent trend is to the upside, because overall the most recent trend does appear to be the upside. So we'll see our price react, especially around the previous swing high here in the market. But we do see that further upside continuation on the US 30. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up everything in regards to the US 30. Let's just have a look at the daily chart just to see how this market is developing. And we're just going to close up, we're going to remove the drawings. So as we can see from our initial sell-off here, we've had a very brief move to the downside. And on the 6th, we saw this, we've had a push down, but we had a lot of buy side momentum as indicated by this wick here. The fact that we closed bullish, closed pretty close to the highs, does possibly suggest that we are poised for further upside momentum on the US 30. And that should wrap up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.